token of my success and the token of SMB's success. So on this note, you have just but we grab it. So as we all know that a great history has a great past. So let's know that past. So हमेशा की तरह शुरू से शुरुआत करते हैं. As we all know that no need for introduction and all because you all are aware for him and these guys are well-known person to SMB English.
With money you can buy.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
With money you can buy.
Grand support for both sides. Let's also do clap and wishes and all. All right, please. Yeah, clap.
Money gives a freedom and choice. Money gives a power. Money gives a personality.
You don't even start today nowadays. If you don't look at your computer, life will be impossible. But we are not in the habit of looking for support. We single-handedly have the courage to entire session.
I'm good. And I am not shouting it, I will have to learn. Wherever I want to go. At least I want to go the
Meaning of computer education.
But if you will see the first video of our YouTube channel, you will get to know that a software is like that. Please subscribe our channel SMB English. So signing off.
जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम सभी से कुछ फीडबैक और राय ले रहे हैं हमारे इंग्लिश एसएमबी के बारे में. तो मेरे साथ एक और भाई है. आपका नाम क्या है?
मिस्टर हुआ.
मिस्टर हुआ. आप एसएमबी को कैसे जानते हैं?
एसएमबी को हम बहुत दिन से जानते हैं और मेरे गांव में है, जिस कारण मैं जानता हूं.
आपके अनुभव से इंग्लिश कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है आजकल के समय में?
आज के समय में इंग्लिश बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है.
क्या लगता है मतलब बच्चे लोग को इंग्लिश सीखना चाहिए? क्योंकि आप जहाँ तक मेरा ओपिनियन है कि चाहे हम बैंक में जाए चाहे किसी भी टिकट काउंटर पे जाए हर जगह इंग्लिश की आवश्यकता होती है. तो आप इसके बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
इंग्लिश तो हर जगह चाहिए, देश हो विदेश हो, हर जगह इंग्लिश बहुत ही ज़रूरी.
जी थैंक यू. आपसे बात करके अच्छा लगा.
So hello everyone, I am Alia from SMB and I am standing in front of Khatapur Chowk and I am here to show you you can show that here students are here for something and I would love to make you know that why they are here. So let's come and talk to them why they are here for what they are doing and why they are here. So thank you. Come. Yeah. So I would love to know from. You can see a lot of students is here and they are trying to give their best and let's come and talk to them what they are doing. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
And I wanted to know that why they are here and what they are doing here.
They are here for I can say this is a program and in Khatapur Chowk and because of that we all are here.
Okay, so how are you feeling now?
I am feeling very better.
You are feeling very better. Good to know that. So are you enjoying this session?
Yeah, I'm enjoying very much.
Good to know that. I would love to know from you as well that are you excited?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Are you enjoying this session?
Yeah, I'm very enjoying this.
Good to know that you all are enjoying. Let's come and talk with boys as well. And let's have a fight from boys. I would love to know from them as well. So, hello.
That's an amazing time of the map and I went to yesterday but that's always the best class in the market.
Ask from someone else as well. Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying this session?
Yes, I enjoying this.
Oh, from where are you coming?
I am Rampur Vaswani.
That's very glad to know they are coming from very far areas and they are enjoying as well. I want to know from her as well. She is listening very carefully. I would love to know. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Okay, that's all right. So, what are you like thinking about these guys? Are they enjoying? Are they wasting their time?
Yeah, of course.
Don't you think that here people are wasting their time?
No, why people wasting time here, enjoying everyone.
That's good to know that you think like this. So I want to know from him that will it be work or not? So what do you think? It will work or not?
Definitely work.
Oh. So you are looking very confident. I would love to know that is this like because of this can environment be changed?
Definitely, because of there should be a great communication connection with us, which is enhance our confidence, which enhance our you can say courage to speak in front of people. It will change the environment of the Khatapur. Everyone wants to speak English like as we are speaking, so definitely change.
Good to know they are thinking that people can be changed by this. We are doing program, so people can think that it's going better and we can change the environment. Good to know them with them. I would love to know from someone else as well that what do you think, will environment be changed?
Yes, it will be changed.
Oh, you are also very confident. That how confidence come?
Yeah, by the assembly.
By the speech. So, tell me something about the class. How is going on?
I don't listen, please.
Tell me something about the class. That how is it going on?
It's going on very good work, because lots of students help and teachers doing different work.
Okay, that's good to know. So I have asked from the student as well. I would love to know from them that who is standing and listening the program. Come with me. So hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. I wanted to know that whatever sir is doing, will it be successful?
Of course, it will be successful, because this is a good experience for me, and this is a good program in the Begusarai. This type of program, it's never done anywhere, and I'm very happy to come here.
Absolutely right. Good to hear from you that you think like this about the student and sir. I would love to know something more that what did you experience here? You are standing from 1 hour at least.
Yes, this is a thrill experience for me, and I am here to feeling very cool and glad, and I am very enjoying this moment.
Yeah, I would love to know from you that what's your experience here?
Experience is unexpected, and I just got a lot of good experience here.
And what do you think that will it be successful or not?
Obviously, it will be, because our efforts are giving us the results.
And I want to know, because of this, will environment change of Khatupur?
Yes, why not? Because the environment is going to be perfectly changed and transformed by us.
Yeah, right. Good to know that. And people are watching us. Sir is doing the program. That what would be they thinking?
I think that it will be good, because they will just be motivated from us, and they will try to do the best by us. So it means that it will be the best.
Yeah, right. And about sir, what you wanted to say? How they create this program?
But sir also did the best, but I just wanted to give these guys the credit, the cameraman and the most important guy. Without him, program is incompleted. So these guys are the real supporters.
Yeah, absolutely right. No doubt. Should I say something else? So now I would love to know from the guys who is standing here, and I would love to know that are they enjoying or not, and what they are thinking about this program and all. So come and ask from them. So now I would love to know from him that how are he feeling? Is he feeling? Yeah. So now I would love to know from him that are he enjoying or not. So hello.
What's about?
About the program, and you are standing from 1 or 1. Yeah, about this.
First of all, I want to talk about the SMB. I was also the student of SMB, but I would love about this SMB, that is expression. We have a great expression. Before SMB, we have no any expression, but we are just talking, but we have no any expression. But after SMB, we got a very beautiful things. We have idea how to think. We have an idea how to talk, how to manage ourselves, how to catch the word, which is beyond the power of our limits. So first of all, I want to say this is all about the hard work. Hard work makes a man perfect. But I want to say one thing that is a man makes a man perfect. About the SME, that is all the student is here because of the trust. And I have remembered one line about the trust, that is trust is a very precious thing. Cheap people can't afford that. So this is all about the trust. If you first trust, then after you get the knowledge, then after you get the expression, then you after you get the emotion, feelings, expression, knowledge, and all.
As you can see that they have great thought and they think very positive about the program, about the sir and about the student, and I am too glad to see this program, and I seriously appreciated the program and the sir and the student, so thank you. So now I would love to know from one more student, and he is looking very excited to explain, so let's come and talk. Hi.
Hello.
I want to know that you are feeling well here.
Yes.
Good to know he is feeling very well. So one more question I have, and that is that will it work or not?
Yes, it is very work.
This is the question from Ask Everyone. Everybody asks this question that will it be work, and I am very glad to know that everybody is replying yes, and they have confidence as well. So you are feeling bored or you are feeling excited?
I am feeling excited and more excited because of I think it's the first time on the chalk in this program set on by my sir.
That's right, that it is the first time in Khatapur Chowk that students are speaking English and they are not feeling fear as well. They are enjoying their session. So I am too very glad to know this thing.